Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about joins. So let's see what is it. So join can join two or more tables with each other. So for that we have to use the join statement. How we are going to join it? The related column between them will be joined together, and then the rest of the table will be joined. Okay, so here on screen you can see that I have mentioned the user table and the product table, and these two can be combined by using the favorite field and the product ID. Okay, so the IDs, if the ID is existing and the favorite existing, with the help of that they are going to join together. Okay, so that is how you are going to work on that. So this is the example how you should do it. So you have to write the codes in this format: user.name as user, product.name as favorite, from user inner join product on users.fav equal to product ID. So this is the format how you should mention it. Okay, so once you'll run this particular code, you will be able to get that both the tables are joined together. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.